Good afternoon. So this is just a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Buds in black. Just arrived this afternoon. Been waiting for this for such a long time. Amazon unfortunately messed up my order, so I had to purchase them somewhere else. So I got the black pair. We all know it's got a 6-hour battery life, wireless charge, but I'll be using it with a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So let's just get this undone. Oh, there's actually two. Silly me. There we go. What's in here? I think this is all like instructions and paperwork. Warranty. Yeah. Keep that safe. I'm sure a lot of people have seen semi unboxing of the white one and probably the yellow. So this is the black cable, USB Type C, and some ear tips. Brilliant. Don't need to take that out. Keep that there. So here we are. Oh my god, it is so small. I don't think people realize how small this is. Like all the reviews I've watched on YouTube, it looks, yeah, this is probably the smallest charging case I've ever seen in my life. Well, let's see if the wireless charge works. I've got Samsung wireless. Yes, and it's charging. You can't see the red light, but it's there. So I'm going to be pairing it with my Samsung. Yeah, that's my watch is going off. I'm also using a Samsung Gear S2, so that'll be fun to pair them up together. So let's see how quickly this pairs up. There you go, connect. That was quick. Galaxy Buds. I'm so excited. Oh, connected already. So a little background story. I pre-ordered these on Amazon website on the day of release. The day it was meant to get or delivered, didn't hear no word from Amazon, so I contacted them. They told me it's not in stock. So I had a bit of an argument with them, cancelled my order, and found them for much cheaper. Got them for like 107 UK pounds, I think. No, 105.99. Yeah. Ordered them on the 23rd of March. But then the company did not process my order until like last week when I emailed them. Report diagnostics. Yeah, I don't mind that. Agree. And yeah, it arrived just now. So yeah, get notifications. Yeah, you know what? I want everything. Let me get rid of this. Yep. Yeah, we know about all this already. Finished. And that is it. Ready to start. I'm so excited. This has finally arrived. I just hope they're comfortable. I'm not the biggest fan of in here, but I've been wanting like true wireless buds for such a long time. And I was originally going to buy the Icon X 2018 version, but then I knew Samsung will come out with a new version, so I waited. So anyway, quick unboxing and setup. As you can see, it doesn't take long at all. So I'm going to do a review over the next week. So today's Thursday, the 4th of April. So give me a week, see how it goes. Then I'll do another review and give my opinion. Thank you for watching. Any questions, feel free to ask or share. Thank you. Bye-bye.